Okay, we are now for test 2, which is multiplying fractions using cancellation method. Okay, so we're gonna answer now. Then your assignment. We're gonna multiply fraction using cancellation method. Okay, so we have 5 items. So let's answer number 1, which is 3/4 times 4/6. Okay, so to use cancellation method, just cancel their cross. Okay, divide them if they are divisible with each other. Okay, like for example 4 here, you can divide 4 to 4 at the same time. This 4 you can divide 4 to 4. Okay, so if you divide 4 divided by 4 is 1, and here 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, you have 1. If you do this cross, you can divide them both by 3. Why? Because they are both divisible by 3. So if you divide them, 3 divided by 3 is 1, while 6 divided by 3 is 2. Okay, so 6 here is no longer 2. 6, it's 2, because we have cancelled. So if we multiply now, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 2 is 2. So for our answer, that's 1/2. So answer number 1 is 1/2. Now let's answer number 2. Number 2 here is 6/8. 6/8 times 2/3. Okay, 2/3. Now, multiplying fraction using cancellation method, just divide their cross. Okay, denominator here to numerator here, numerator here to denominator here. Okay, but make sure that we can divide them. They are divisible with each other. Like for example, 8 here, we can divide them both by 2. Okay, so if you divide them both by 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, so 2 here is no longer 2 but 1. Now 8 divided by 2 here is 4. Okay, so 8 here is no longer 8 but 4, because we divide them both by 2. That's cancellation method. Now 6 here and 3, you can divide them both by 3, because they are divisible by 3. So if you divide them, 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 3 here is no longer 3 but 1. Now 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now 6 here is no longer 6 but 2, because we have cancelled their process. Okay, so we can now multiply. Now 2 times 1 is 2, while 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, so we have 2/4. So we still can simplify it, because we can 2/4 here can be divided by 2. Okay, 2 simplify them. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we have 1/2 for the final answer. Okay, now let's answer number 3. Multiplication of fraction using cancellation method. Okay, number 3, around number 3. That's 3/9. 3/9 times 6/9. 6/9. Okay, so again, using cancellation method, let's divide them by their common divisor. can divide them both by 3. So 3 here divided by 3 is 1. Now 9 here divided by 3 is 2. Okay? The same here, we can divide them both by 3. Okay, because 9 and 6 are both divisible by 3, meaning they can be divided by that number, which is 3. Let's divide. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And here, 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay? So 9 here is no longer 9 but 3, because we have cancelled their cross. Now, let's multiply. So, 1 times 2, that's 2. And here, 3 times 3 is 9. So, for our final answer, that's 2 over 9. Okay? Next, let's answer number 4. Okay, we are now on number 4. That's 25 over 36 times 6 over 10. Okay? 6 over 10. Now let's use the cancellation method, okay, to shorten our process in answering this. Let's divide their crosses, okay, by a common divisor. Now here, 36 and 6, we have a common divisor, which is 6, because we can divide them both by 6. Now 6, if we divide them, 6 divided by 6 is 1. Now here, 36 divided by 6 is 6. Okay, so it's no longer 36 but 6, because we have cancelled their cross. Now here, 55 and 10 can be divided by 5, because they are divisible by 5. Okay, so if we divide them, 10 divided by 5 is 2, while 25 here divided by 5 is 5. Okay, so we have cancelled the crosses. Now let's multiply their numerator. 5 times 1 is 5, and let's multiply their denominator, which is 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, so for our final answer, that's 5 over 12. Okay, now let's answer number 5. Last item for this test. Okay, so we have here number 5. Okay, that's 8 over 9. 8 over 9 times 3 over 4. Okay, 3 over 4. Now to answer this quickly, let's cancel the cross. Okay, let's multiply this two fractions using cancellation method. Okay, let's cancel the cross. 9 and 3 here can be both divided by 3. So let's divide. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now 9 here divided by 3 is 3. Next, 8 and 4 here can both be divided by 4. Okay, so let's divide. 4 divided by 4 is 1, while 8 divided by 4 is 2. Okay, now let's multiply now the fraction. Now 2 times 1 is 2, and 3 times 1 is 3. So for our final answer, we have 2/3. Okay, so that's how you use cancellation method in multiplying fraction. Okay, so that's it for test number